This is Malcolm with Classic British Spares. Today we're going to talk about the Schrader valve nuts that we have online. We haven't talked about them much, but we're going to show you how they look on the matchless. The ones that we have are both cab plated. One is a straight cut, one is a crosshatch, depending upon which style you particularly choose. Alright, so let's get down to the matchless and take a look at it. This is the appearance of the standard nut that comes with most of the tubes today, and as you can tell, it doesn't look very period correct. So let's try the new nuts and see how they look. Okay, that's how it looks with the new nut in place, how it looks a little bit better. I'm going to put this cap on. That, of course, we don't sell. It's just something I scrounged up from old tube replacements. But as you can tell, it looks a whole lot better than it did before. All right, well, that's it for today. If you're interested in buying one, just check out the website, and we sure appreciate your watching. Thank you.